Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify software compliance standards with NIST, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what NIST compliance standards are. Familiarize yourself with the National Institute of Standards and Technology's guidelines. Identify the specific standards relevant to your software. Review NIST's Special Publication 800 series for detailed compliance requirements. Gather documentation detailing your software's architecture and functionality. Assess the software against identified NIST standards. Conduct a gap analysis to identify areas of non-compliance. Develop a remediation plan to address these gaps. Assign responsibilities to team members for compliance tasks. Implement necessary changes to meet NIST standards, ensuring thorough documentation. Utilize a checklist to verify adherence to each specific requirement. Schedule regular reviews to ensure ongoing compliance. Conduct training sessions for your team on NIST standards and compliance. Engage a third-party auditor for an independent assessment if required. Document the entire verification process for future reference. Prepare for potential audits by maintaining organized compliance records. Stay updated on any changes in NIST standards to ensure continued compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.